Hello everyone and welcome back to this video series where we'll be tackling critical issues and the solution. Today we'll discuss sustainability and revenue creation, which are two goals many companies see as separate but could be tackled together. I'm joined by Tom Vranken, who's the author of our latest case study, Waste-to-Value, Sustainability and Revenue Creation Hand in Hand. Hello Tom.
I am.
Can you give us a brief overview of what the initiative Waste-to-Value is about?
Sure. The Waste-to-Value projects are initiatives where we are not only supporting companies with reducing their environmental footprint, but at the same time, they want to create new revenue streams. This can be done by turning their waste feedstocks into valuable products. It's all about aligning sustainability with profitability.
Why do you think this approach has been gaining momentum over the past few years?
Good question. What we noticed is that there has been a shift, in corporate mindset. On one hand, the shift is driven by regulatory changes. On the other hand, it's also driven by a change in customers' expectations. Also, companies are more and more realizing that waste is an untapped resource. And rather than seeing it as a cost and a burden, they're now seeing it as a potential for new products and new revenue.
Can you tell us more about how the collaboration with the Tanmiah Food Company and Polymerin came to be?
Sure. So Tanmiah is a large poultry company in the Middle East. And when we met for the first time, the company told us that it was producing more than 50,000 tons of waste annually. And you can imagine that disposing of this waste comes with a significant cost. Now, by partnering with us and by hosting an innovation grant challenge, they were able to connect with organizations across the globe who presented their most innovative solutions to Tanmiah. Eventually, it was Polymeron, a startup from KAUST, which is the King Abdullah University of Science and Technology in Saudi Arabia, who got selected to transform this waste into biodegradable plastics and biochar, and thus leading to an entirely new revenue stream for Tanmiah, which is a poultry-oriented company.
What is the potential impact of this initiative?
Well, it's anticipated that in the next years, this partnership could generate up to $24 million in revenue annually, while having a positive impact on the environment. It's a perfect example of how companies can turn waste into value with the right innovation partner.
Could you share other examples of how different sectors and industries are applying this?
Well, another example is an initiative coming from the chemical industry, where one of our clients wanted to produce sustainably sourced BTX products. BTX stands for benzene, toluene, xylene. In this specific case, we helped our client with identifying potential partners with emerging technologies that would enable them to produce BTX from different kinds of local waste. New partnerships enabled our client to develop sustainable and competitive product portfolio, allowing them to enter a completely new market very rapidly.
And what role does NineSigma play in helping companies achieve this kind of transformations?
Well, at NineSigma, we provide our clients the expertise, network, and tools to identify new opportunities with their waste streams. Whether through designing and launching innovative innovation challenges or by setting up a technology scouting exercise, we guide businesses in finding the right partners and solutions to turn their waste into value.
As a final question, Tom, what would you say to companies considering their own waste-to-value journey?
Well, I would say the time to act is now. Sustainability and profitability no longer have to compete with each other. With the right approach and partners, you can create real value and positively impact the environment, all in one go.
Thank you, Tom, for sharing these insights and for your time.
My pleasure.